As we've heard, public procurement is of central importance to the economy. In my constituency in Wales, only half of public contracts are awarded to Welsh companies, and if that figure was increased to 75%, it could create almost 50,000 jobs. EU rules have often been blamed for being too complicated and preventing the award of contracts to local and regional businesses. We must have policies that are fair and effective, and this should not be to the detriment of our environment or of our citizens. So I welcome the possibilities for more sustainability in terms of clarity in the use of environmental, social and fair trade criteria. Also, the splitting up of large contracts, making it easier for small businesses and cutting red tape. I hope that these changes will help strengthen the economy and provide more opportunities in the future for innovation and for job creation. Thank you.